Monet 50TS, DC50 100KWh product installation. Ensure the product appearance is good, without damage, rust and paint loss. Tools preparation. Cable preparation. Power cable installation. Wear 1 kV insulated gloves. Verify all power switches are in off position. Use an electric screwdriver to remove PVC protective cover. Use an electric screwdriver and wrench to remove the M6 and M8 fixing screws. Install the PE conductor first. Route cables through cabinet bottom. Connect to corresponding phases. Reinstall M6 screws. Finally, perform torque calibration using a 6 Nm torque wrench. Then install the neutral conductor. Route cable through cabinet bottom. Connect to corresponding phases. Reinstall M8 screws. Perform torque calibration using a 12 Nm torque wrench. Install the PV, grid, diesel generator, and load group cables in order. This is the wiring for 1 MPPT channel. Battery copper bars installation. Prepare 3 battery copper bars. Install from copper bar 1 to copper bar 3 in sequence. Remove the positive and negative terminal protective covers. Use an electric screwdriver to remove the M8 fixing screws. Use an electric screwdriver to install the battery copper bars. Perform torque calibration using a 12 Nm torque wrench. Reinstall the positive and negative terminal protective covers. SIM card installation. Disconnect router power supply. Press SIM eject pin with small slotted screwdriver. Eject SIM tray. Remove SIM tray. Install SIM card. Reinsert tray. Reconnect power. External antenna replacement. Remove side antenna port cover. Place signal receiver on cabinet top. Route antenna through port. Replace the taller 4G antenna on your router. Seal port with waterproof sealant. Air conditioner drain pipe installation. Using an electric screwdriver to remove sheet metal panel. Slide metal clamp onto drain outlet. Connect drain pipe to AC unit. Tighten clamp with large slotted screwdriver. Using long nose pliers to remove knockout hole. Route the hose through the knockout hole to the outside of the cabinet. Reinstall sheet metal panel.